Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Haidar Jan. I am the advocacy coordinator for the East Turkistan National Movement and the diplomacy and political officer of the East Turkistan Government in exile. We stand here today in front of the Turkish Embassy in Washington, D.C. to condemn the Turkish government for its repeated betrayal of East Turkestan and the Uyghurs. The recent visit of Turkish Foreign Minister Hakan Fidan to China and then to occupied East Turkestan signifies Turkey's alignment with China's oppression regime, endorsing their genocidal policies against our people. Organized by the East Turkestan government in exile and joined by members of the East Turkestan Parliament in exile, the East Turkestan National Movement and the East Turkestan National Front. This protest aims to expose and condemn Turkey's complicity in China's systematic campaign of colonization and genocide in occupied East Turkestan. We stand united to demand justice, uphold freedom, and call for the international community to hold Turkey accountable for betraying its culture and his historical ties with the East Turkestani people. We will start our event with the playing of the East Turkestan national anthem. And now we have a speech from the East. Now we have a speech from the East Turkestan government in exile's Minister for Foreign Affairs and Security, Mr. Saleh Hudayar. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We stand here today not just as East Turkistanis or Uyghurs, but as defenders of justice, liberty, and human dignity. Our presence in front of the Turkish Embassy here in Washington, D.C. is a testament to our collective outrage and our unwavering resolve to confront betrayal head on. For centuries, East Turkistanis have looked up to Turkiye as a beacon of hope, considering them our blood kin from our shared Turkic heritage, culture, language, and history. Yet today, we witness a continuous betrayal. Turkiye, a nation bound to us by cultural, ethnic, religious, and historical ties, has chosen to align itself with our oppressor, with our colonizers, with our enemy, China. The recent visit of Turkish Foreign Minister Hakan Fidan to China and then to occupied East Turkestan and his alliance with the genocidal Chinese occupation regime is more than a simple diplomatic affair. It is an outright endorsement of China's genocidal policies, its campaign of colonization, occupation against the Uyghur, Kazakh, Kyrgyz, Uzbek, Tatar, and other Turkic peoples of occupied East Turkestan. This is not merely a political misstep. It is a profound moral failing. How can a nation that prides itself on a rich cultural heritage and a history of championing human rights, freedom, and sovereignty for the oppressed shake hands with those drenched in the bloods of millions of innocent Turkic peoples in occupied East Turkestan? Turkey's treacherous actions betray not only the peoples of East Turkestan, but also the very principles of justice, brotherhood, and humanity that they claim to uphold. One of the people that Hakan Fidan met with was China's top security and intelligence chief, Chen Wenqin, who boasted about new consensus reached between China and Turkey, creating a blueprint for deeper strategic cooperation, especially in terms of so-called security. Make no mistake, this cooperation is against East Turkestan and its people. It is a pact designed to entrench oppression, silence the cries of the innocent millions of East Turkestanis, and suppress East Turkestan's struggle to restore its independence. Consider current President Recep Tayyip Erdogan, who was graciously welcomed with Uyghur hospitality in 2012, with the hope that he would negotiate with China to resolve the oppressive situation, the colonization, the genocide, and the occupation in our homeland. Regrettably, he did not come to rescue us, but rather he facilitated our further subjugation by forging closer ties with China, helping China to secretly transfer thousands of Uyghurs to Syria, where they were used as cannon fodder by the Turkish government, and their presence was used to falsely label East Turkistanis as so-called terrorists, as an excuse for China to launch and commit this ongoing genocide against us. Unsurprisingly, Turkey's government has remained silent in the face of the ongoing genocide of Uyghurs and other Turkic peoples in occupied East Turkestan, the largest genocide since the Holocaust. Now our latest guest, Turkish Foreign Minister Hakan Fidan, is visiting us not only to betray us further by supporting and cooperating with those who perpetrate the largest campaign of colonization, genocide, and occupation in the 21st century. Consequently, we, the East Turkestani people, have learned a heart-wrenching lesson that not all guests are friends. Some guests we perceive as brothers, as our kinsmen, as our protectors, turn out to be the most treacherous backstabbers. As the wise words of our ancestors, Turkic ancestors state, betrayal from a stranger may pass quickly, but betrayal from a friend pierces the heart. Let us be clear. The Turkish government's support for China's so-called sovereignty and territorial integrity and supporting China's ongoing genocide in occupied East Turkestan under the false excuse of counterterrorism is the greatest betrayal against not only the East Turkestani people, but to the very ideals that the great founder of the modern Turkish Republic, Atatürk, had established. This tramples on the very honor of the Turkish nation, and the Republic of Turkiye that Atatürk had founded. How can Turkiye, a nation that claims to defend the rights of the oppressed, a nation that claims to be the beacon of hope for all Turkic peoples, actively work against East Turkestan's independence through its treacherous security and intelligence cooperation with China? How is it that Turkiye's government supports Palestinian independence, yet treacherously opposes East Turkestan's independence? This hypocrisy is staggering and cannot go unnoticed. East Turkestan is the cradle of Turkic civilization and the fatherland of all Turkic peoples. It is not, and it has never been, a so-called part of China, but rather it is an occupied country. Occupied country fighting to restore its independence. Throughout history, East Turkestan has long been an independent nation, the seat of numerous independent Turkic states and empires. In the 20th century, on November 12, 1933, East Turkestan declared its independence as a modern republic, as the East Turkestan Republic. And once more, on November 12, 1944, again as the East Turkestan Republic. However, it was invaded by Communist China on October 12, 1949, and has been under Chinese occupation since December 22, 1949. Since December 1996, Turkiye's government has been treacherously working with China to undermine and suppress East Turkestan's struggle to restore its independence. The Chinese Communist Party's Politburo's secret directive, outlined in their top secret document number 7 from 1996, calls for cooperating with Turkiye for the suppression and dismantling of East Turkestan's struggle for independence. This document was the blueprint for the ongoing genocide, and through diplomacy and coercion, China has enlisted Turkiye's government as a willing accomplice. But we will not be silenced. We will not stand idly by as our homeland is colonized and occupied. Our culture is erased, and our people are subjected to genocide. Again, the Turkish government's treacherous actions against East Turkestan are a stain on Turkiye's national honor. By supporting China's campaigns of colonization, genocide, and occupation, Turkiye's government has the blood of millions of Uyghurs, Kazakhs, Kyrgyz, and other Turkic peoples in occupied East Turkestan on their hands. This is not just a political issue, it is a moral one. It is a question of humanity of justice, of independence, the foundational values that the Republic of modern Turkey was established upon by the great leader Mustafa Kemal Atatürk. The current Turkish administration under the Erdogan regime is selling out Turkey's foundational values. It is selling out the national honor of Turkey. It is disgracing Atatürk. The world must take a notice. The international community, especially the Turkish people, political parties, anyone with a moral ounce of moral conscience must hold the government of Turkey accountable for its actions. We call on all nations to stand with East Turkestan, to condemn China's genocidal policies, its occupation, its colonization, and to reject any and all forms of complicity in these atrocities. The recent meeting between Turkey's Foreign Minister Hakan Fidan and Chen Wenqin, head of the Chinese Communist Party's Central Committee's Commission overseeing intelligence and security, poses a grave threat to East Turkestan and the Uyghurs. Foreign Minister Fidan has committed to deepening security cooperation with China, with Chen, who last week visited East Turkestan and called for the continuation of the ongoing campaign of colonization, genocide, and occupation under the false pretext of counterterrorism. The Turkish government's treacherous cooperation only serves to bolster China's genocidal regime and legitimize its campaign of colonization, occupation, and genocide. To the Turkish government, we say, your actions have consequences. Your betrayal will not be forgotten. We immediately demand you to reconsider your stance, to withdraw your support for China's colonial and genocidal policies, and to stand with your oppressed kin in your fatherland of East Turkestan, and not with the oppressive Chinese invaders. Remember that the world is watching, and history will judge your actions. As we protest today, let us remember the countless victims of China's brutal campaign of colonization, genocide, and occupation in East Turkestan. Let us honor their memory by continuing the fight for their rights, for their dignity. We owe it to them, to ourselves, and the future generations to restore East Turkestan's rightful independence. It must be clear that ending the Chinese occupation and restoring the independence of East Turkestan is the only way to ensure the fundamental rights and freedoms of Uyghurs and other Turkish peoples in East Turkestan. It is the only way to secure their existence and ensure that they live in peace and prosperity. In conclusion, we stand here today not just as representatives of a government in exile, but as torchbearers of a just and righteous cause. Our struggle exemplifies the resilience and the spirit of the East Turkestani people. We will not be silenced, and we will not be broken. We will continue to fight for the restoration of East Turkestan's independence until justice prevails, until our people are free, and until the world acknowledges a rightful place among independent nations. We will persevere regardless of the attacks and opposition from our enemies or the treacherous betrayal from those who are considered our kin. Justice and truth will prevail. East Turkestan will restore its independence. Thank you. Now we will face the Turkish Embassy and we will have chants. Turkiye, stop the betrayal!
Turkiye, stop the betrayal!
Turkiye, stop the betrayal!
Turkiye, stop the betrayal!
Stop supporting China's genocide in East Turkestan!
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 Stand with East Turkestan, not with China!
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 End China's genocide!
End China's genocide!
End China's occupation!
End China's occupation!
End China's genocide!
End China's genocide!
End China's occupation!
End China's occupation!
Turkiye hero B!
Turkiye hero B!
Stop aiding tyranny!
Stop aiding tyranny!
Turkiye hero B!
Turkiye hero B!
Stop aiding tyranny!
Stop aiding tyranny!
East Turkestan is now part of China!
East Turkestan is not a part of China!
East Turkestan is now part of China!
East Turkestan is not a part of China!
East Turkestan is an occupied country!
East Turkestan is not a part of country!
East Turkestan is an occupied country!
East Turkestan is not a part of country!
Turkey, stop your complicity!
Turkiye, stop your complicity!
Turkey, stop your complicity!
Turkiye, stop your complicity!
Turkey, stand with the oppressed!
Turkiye, stand with the oppressed!
Not with the oppressors!
Not with the oppressors!
Turkey, stand with the oppressed!
Turkiye, stand with the oppressed!
Not with the oppressors!
Not with the oppressors!
We will not be silenced!
We will not be silent!
We will not be broken!
We will not be broken!
We will not be silenced!
We will not be silent!
We will not be broken!
We will not be broken!
Stop the betrayal!
Stop the betrayal!
Stop the bloodshed!
Stop the breaking!
Stop the betrayal!
Stop the betrayal!
Stop the bloodshed!
Stop the breaking!
Support your Turkish brothers!
Support your Turkish brothers!
Support your Turkish brothers!
Support your Turkish brothers!
Not the oppressors!
Not the oppressors!
Turkey, honor your heritage! Defend East Turkestan!
Defend East Turkestan!
Defend East Turkestan!
Defend East Turkestan!
No more betrayal!
No more betrayal!
No more betrayal!
No more betrayal!
Stand for East Turkestan!
Stand up for East Turkestan!
Stand for East Turkestan!
Stand up for East
Independence for East Turkistan!
Independence for East Turkistan!
Terrorist China!
Terrorist China!
Terrorist China!
Terrorist China!
Fascist China!
Fascist China!
Fascist China!
Fascist China!
Turkey, stop the betrayal!
Turkey, stop the betrayal!
Turkey, stop the betrayal!
Turkey, stop the betrayal!
Stop supporting China's genocide in East Turkestan! Stop supporting China's genocide in East Turkestan! Stop supporting China's occupation in East Turkestan! Stop supporting China's occupation in East Turkestan! Turkey, stand with East Turkestan! Turkey, don't stand with China! Turkey, stand with East Turkestan! Turkey, don't stand with China! Turkey, end China's genocide! Turkey, end China's occupation! Turkey, end China's genocide! Turkey, end Chinese occupation! Turkey, hear our plea! Stop aiding China! Turkey, hear our plea! Stop aiding China! Turkey, stop selling East Turkestan! Turkey, stop selling your brothers! Turkey, stop selling East Turkestan! Turkey, stop selling your brothers! Turkey, stop selling your national honor! Turkey, stop selling your national honor! East Turkestan is not a part of China! East Turkestan is not a part of China! East Turkestan is an occupied country! East Turkestan is an occupied country! East Turkestan is an occupied country! East Turkestan is the fatherland of the Turkish nation! East Turkestan is the fatherland of the Turkish nation! Turkey, stop selling your honor! Turkey, stop selling your national honor! Turkey, stop selling East Turkestan! Turkey, stop selling East Turkestan! Turkey, stop selling your brothers! Turkey, stop selling your brothers! Turkey, stop your complicity in genocide! Turkey, stop your complicity in genocide! Turkey, stand with the oppressed! Turkey, stand with the oppressed! Turkey, don't stand with the oppressors! Turkey, don't stand with the oppressors! We will not be silenced. We will not be silenced. We will not be broken. We will not be broken. We will restore East Turkistan's independence. We will restore East Turkistan's independence. Turkey, stop the betrayal. Turkey, stop the betrayal. Turkey, stop aiding the killing of your brothers. Turkey, stop aiding the killing of your brothers. Turkey, support your Turkish brothers. Turkey, support your Turkish brothers. Turkey, don't support the oppressors. Turkey, don't support the oppressors. Turkey, honor your heritage. Turkey, honor your heritage. Remember your origins. Remember your origins. Defend your honor. Defend your honor. Defend your fatherland. Defend your fatherland. Defend East Turkistan. Defend East Turkistan. Turkey, hear our cries. Turkey, hear our cries. No more betrayal. No more betrayal. Stand up for East Turkistan. Stand up for East Turkistan. Stand up for East Turkistan. Stand up for your fatherland. Stand up for your fatherland. Stand up for your national honor. Stand up for your national honor. Turkey, stop selling East Turkistan. Turkey, stop selling East Turkistan. Turkey, stop selling your brothers. Turkey, stop selling your brothers. Turkey, stop selling your fatherland. Turkey, stop selling your fatherland. Turkey, stop selling your national honor. Turkey, stop selling your national honor. Turkey, stop selling your dignity. Turkey, stop selling your dignity. Independence for East Turkistan. Independence for East Turkistan. Terrorist China. Terrorist China. Fascist China. Fascist China. China, get out of East Turkistan. China, get out of East Turkistan. China and the occupation! China and the occupation! China and the colonization! China and the colonization! You will not succeed! China, you will not succeed! We will restore East Turkistan's independence! We will restore East Turkistan's independence! We will drive you invaders out! We will drive you Chinese invaders out! Turkey, stop the betrayal! Turkey, stop the betrayal! Turkey, stop supporting China's genocide in East Turkestan! Turkey, stop supporting China's genocide in East Turkestan!
Good to see you again.
Thank you. Thank you. Evet, sana döneceğiz. O sıkıntı bir gün başlangıcı. Ha çıktı. 15 gün bir gün başlangıcı. Prova. Turkey, stop the betrayal!
Turkey, stop the betrayal!
Turkey, stop the betrayal!
Turkey, stop the betrayal!
Turkey, stop supporting China's genocide in East Turkestan! Turkey, stop supporting China's genocide in East Turkestan!
Sağa kırak. Derekten sayesinde.
Turkestan with East Turkistan. Turkestan with East Turkistan. Turkestan supporting China. Turkestan supporting China. Turkey and China's genocide. Turkey and Chinese occupation. Turkey and China's genocide. Turkey and Chinese occupation. Turkey, hear our cries. Turkey, hear our cries. Stop selling out East Turkestan. Stop selling East Turkestan. Turkey, stop selling your brothers. 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 Turkey, stop selling your national order. Turkey, stop selling your national order. Turkey, stop selling your brothers. Turkey, stop selling your brothers. Turkey, stop selling East Turkestan. Turkey, stop selling your fatherland. Turkey, stop selling East Turkestan. Turkey, stop selling your fatherland. Remember your origins. Remember your origins. Stop betraying your fatherland. Stop betraying your fatherland. East Turkestan is not a part of China. East Turkestan is not a part of China. East Turkestan is an occupied country. East Turkestan is an occupied country. Turkey, stop your complicity. Turkey, stop your complicity. Turkey, stand with the oppressed. Turkey, stand with the oppressed. Turkey, don't support the oppressors. Turkey, don't support the oppressors. We will not be silenced. We will not be silenced. We will not be broken. We will not be broken. We will not be defeated. We will not be defeated. We will restore East Turkestan's independence. We will restore East Turkestan's independence. We will not forget your betrayal.
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 Turkey, stop the betrayal.
Stop the betrayal.
Turkey, stop the betrayal.
Stop the betrayal.
Turkey, stop selling East Turkestan. Turkey, stop selling East Turkestan. Turkey, stop selling the Uyghurs. Turkey, stop selling the Uyghurs. Turkey, stop supporting Chinese occupation. Turkey, stop supporting Chinese occupation. Turkey, honor your heritage. Turkey, honor your heritage. Turkey, honor your fatherland. Turkey, honor your fatherland. Turkey, honor your national values. Turkey, honor your national values. No more betrayal. No more betrayal. Turkey, stop selling East Turkistan. Turkey, stop selling East Turkistan. Turkey, stop selling your national honor. Turkey, stop selling your national honor. Turkey, stop selling your national honor. Turkey, stop selling your national values. Turkey, stop selling your national values. Turkey, stop selling your fatherland. Turkey, stop selling your fatherland. Turkey, stop selling your brothers. Turkey, stop selling your brothers. Shame on you, Hakan Fidan. Shame on you, Hakan Fidan. Shame on the Turkish government. Shame on the Turkish government. Shame on Erdogan. Shame on Erdogan. Shame on the Turkish government. Shame on the Turkish government. Stop selling your national honor. Stop selling your national honor. Stop selling East Turkistan. Stop selling East Turkistan. Stop selling your fatherland. Stop selling your fatherland. Stop selling your brothers. Stop selling your brothers. Turkey, stop the betrayal. Turkey, stop the betrayal. Stop supporting China's genocide in East Turkistan. Stop supporting China's genocide in East Turkistan. Turkey, stop the betrayal. Turkey, stop the betrayal. Stop supporting Chinese occupation of East Turkistan. Stop supporting Chinese occupation of East Turkistan. Turkey, stop the betrayal. Turkey, stop the betrayal. Stand with East Turkistan. Stand with East Turkistan. Turkey, hear our cries. Turkey, hear our cries.
Stop aiding China!
Stop aiding China!
Stop aiding China!
Stop aiding China!
Stop aiding the genocide of your brothers!
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 Stop aiding Chinese occupation!
Stop aiding Chinese occupation!
Stop aiding Chinese occupation!
Stop
Stop
aiding Chinese occupation!
aiding Chinese colonization!
Stop aiding Chinese colonization!
Stop aiding Chinese colonization!
Stop aiding Chinese colonization!
East Turkistan is not a part of China!
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 East Turkistan is an occupied country!
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 Turkey, stop your complicity!
East stop your complicity!
Turkey, stop your complicity!
Stop our complicity!
Turkey, stand with the oppressed, not the oppressors!
Turkey stand with the oppressed, not the oppressors!
Turkey, stand with the oppressed, not the oppressors!
Turkey stand with the oppressed, not the oppressors!
Turkey, stop selling East Turkestan!
Turkey stop selling East Turkestan!
Turkey, stop selling East Turkestan! Turkey, stop supporting China!
Turkey stop supporting China!
Turkey, stop supporting China! Turkey, stop selling your national honor!
Turkey stop selling your national honor!
Turkey, have some shame! Turkey, have some shame! Turkey, repent now! Turkey, repent now! Turkey, stop the betrayal! Turkey, stop the betrayal! Turkey, stop selling East Turkestan! Turkey, stop selling East Turkestan! Turkey, stop selling your national honor! Turkey, stop selling your national honor! Turkey, stop selling your fatherland! Turkey, stop selling your fatherland! Turkey, stop the betrayal! Turkey, stop the betrayal! Turkey, stop selling East Turkestan! Turkey, stop selling East Turkestan! No more betrayal! No more betrayal! Stand up for East Turkestan! Stand up for East Turkestan! Independence for East Turkestan! Independence for East Turkestan! Terrorist China! Terrorist China! Fascist China! Fascist China! Imperialist China! Imperialist China! China, get out of East Turkestan! China, get out of East Turkestan! China, end the colonization!
colonization. China and the colonization. China and the occupation. China and the occupation. China and the genocide. China and the genocide. Turkey stop the betrayal. Turkey stop the betrayal. Have some shame, Turkey. Have some shame, Turkey. Where's your national honor? Where's your national honor? Where's your national dignity? Where's your national dignity? Where's your national values? Where's your national values? Turkey, stop the betrayal! Turkey, stop the betrayal! Turkey, stop selling East Turkistan! Turkey, stop selling Turkistan! Turkey, stop the complicity! Turkey, stop the complicity! Turkey, stop selling your fatherland! Turkey, stop selling your fatherland! Turkey, stop selling your national honor! Turkey, stop selling your national honor! China, you will not succeed! China, you will not succeed! We will drive the invaders out of our country! We will drive the invaders out of our country! China, you will not succeed! China, you will not succeed! We will restore East Turkistan's independence! We will restore East Turkistan's independence! Shame on Erdogan! Shame on Erdogan! Traitor Erdogan! Traitor Erdogan! Hain Erdogan! Hain Erdogan! Kardeş Erdogan! Kardeş Erdogan! Türk düşmanı Erdogan! Türk düşmanı Erdogan! Hain Erdogan! Hain Erdogan! Kardeş Erdogan! Kardeş Erdogan! Türk düşmanı Erdogan! Türk düşmanı Erdogan! Hainliği bırakın! Hainliği bırakın! Doğu Türkistan satmayın! Doğu Türkistan satmayın! Milli onurunuzu satmayın! Milli onurunuzu satmayın! Ata topraklarınızı satmayın! Ata topraklarınızı satmayın! Kardeşlerinizi satmayın! Kardeşlerinizi satmayın.
Kardeşlerinizi satmayın.
Yazıklar olsun Türkiye.
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 Hainliği bırakın.
Hainleri bırakın.
Hainliği bırakın.
Hainleri
Bırakın.
Ölümsüzlüğü bırakın.
Kardeşliği bırakın.
Kardeşliğimi bırakın.
Kardeşlerimize sahip çıkın.
Kardeşlerimize sahip çıkın.
Kardeşlerimize sahip çıkın.
Kardeşlerimize sahip çıkın.
Doğu Türkistan'a sahip çıkın.
Doğu Türkistan'a sahip çıkın.
Doğu Türkistan'a sahip çıkın.
Doğu Türkistan'a sahip çıkın.
Yaşasın bağımsız Doğu Türkistan.
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 Türkiye kardeşinin katili olma.
Türkiye kardeşinin katili olma.
Türkiye kardeşinin katili olma.
Türkiye kardeşinin katili olma.
Kardeşliği bırakın.
Kalleşlikini bırakın.
Kardeşliği durdurun.
Kalleşlikini durdurun.
Utan Türkiye utan. We're going to end here. We thank everyone for joining us today. Again, we strongly condemn in the highest and strongest term the Turkish government's betrayal of East Turkistan, its treacherous actions against East Turkistan and its people, its ongoing support for China's ongoing campaign of colonization and genocide. Son olarak bildirmek istediğimiz şu ki biz Türkiye halkına karşı değiliz, Türk milletine karşı değiliz. Türkiye halkı ve Türk milleti her daim Doğu Türkistan'ın yanında olmuştur. Onlar her daim bizim kardeşlerimizdir. Ama şu anki iktidardaki hain Türk düşmanı hükümeti, Erdoğan hükümeti Türk düşmanlık yapıyor. Kendi soydaşlarına kardeşlik yapıyor. Türklerin tarihi düşmanı olan Çin işgalcilerle, Çin soykırımcılarla işbirliği yapıyor. Biz Türk milletine, Türk siyasi partilerine, kendini ben Türk milletçiyim diyenlere, ben bir Türk milletin neferim diyenlere çağırıyoruz ki bu kalleşliklere, bu yüzsüzlüklere, bu hainliklere sessiz kalmayın. Sokaklara dökün. Doğu Türkistan için ayağa kalkın Türkiye halkı. Doğu Türkistan için ayağa kalkın Türk milleti. Yoksa siz de bu hainliğe, bu kalleşliğe, bu soykırıma, bu işgala ortak olacaksınız. Ortak olmayın. Ümidinizi kırmayın. Bizi satmayın değerli kardeşlerimiz, değerli Türk milleti. Kendi milli onurunuzu, kendi milli ilklerinizi Atatürk'ün kurduğu Türkiye Cumhuriyeti'ni satmayın. Doğu Türkistan'ı satmayın. Atı topraklarınızı satmayın. Hain Erdoğan rejimini Doğu Türkistan'ı satmasına izin vermeyin. Kendi kardeşlerinin katledilmesine izin vermeyin. Birazcık onurunuz varsa, birazcık insanlığınız varsa, birazcık ben Türk'üm diyeni varsa buna sessiz kalmayacaksınız. Sokaklara döküleceksiniz. Türk konsoloslarında çalışanlar, Türk Dışişleri Bakanlığı'nın çalışanlar, bu iktidarla işbirlik yapanlar istifa edeceksiniz. Bu kalleşlik sadece Doğu Türkistan'a yapan kalleşlik değildir. Tüm Türk milletine, tüm Türk ırkına yapılan kalleşliktir. Atatürk'ün kurduğu Türkiye Cumhuriyeti'ne yapılan kalleşliktir. Yapılan hainliktir. Bu hainliklere, bu kalleşliklere izin vermeyin değerli kardeşlerim. Ey Türk milleti, uyanın. Doğu Türkistan için ayağa kalkın. Kardeşleriniz için ayağa kalkın. Milli onurunuz için ayağa kalkın. Milli bağımsızlığınız için ayağa kalkın. Teşekkürler.